Hello students. I, Soumen Sir, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to start Non-Destructive Testing, NDT. Non-destructive tests are performed to inspect the materials against any defects such as gas porosity, blowholes, etc. In these cases materials are not destroyed. After tests can be reused. Introduction to Non-Destructive Testing, NDT. What is NDT? Inspecting materials without causing damage can be reused after test. These tests make components more reliable, safe and economical. Why is NDT important? Prevents costly failures and accidents. It helps find problems in materials without causing any damage. Ensures product quality and safety. Now we know name of some important non-destructive tests. Common NDT methods. Ultrasonic testing, visual of ultrasound waves. Radiographic testing, visual of X-ray image. Magnetic particle testing, visual of magnetic field lines. Dye penetrant testing, visual of dye penetrating a crack. Now we are going to know benefits of non-destructive testing. 1. Safety, finds problems early to prevent accidents. 2. Cost savings, detects issues without damaging materials, reducing repair and replacement costs. 3. Quality assurance, ensures materials and products meet quality standards. 4. Longevity, helps extend the life of equipment and structures. 5. Efficiency, allows for quick and thorough inspections without halting operations.